All right, so now that I got the fan removed, I can give you guys a better look into the issue here. Hey guys, good morning. We're at a no cooling call for a either 2024 or 2023 system. Thermostat's working, but we're not getting any activity at the air handler. So the first thing I did is pop off the panel, and I did verify that the unit is getting power 240 volts. However, if you look at the low volt side, the fuse here is popped. So what I'm going to do now is go outside and see if there's any rubbed wires on the copper wire. All right guys, so we have made it to the outdoor unit. You can see that the coils are clean. While I'm out here, I'm looking to see if any of these wires are rubbing on the copper line. It's very common, especially with these heat pumps, to have a short, or that's just one way a short can be made. I see a red wire rubbing on the suction line, so I'm gonna remove this to get a closer look. I'll just rub my hand. You can kind of feel it on the wire. You see if it's chafed or not. So we're just gonna kill the power, and then we want to double check and verify there's no 240 volts coming in. After you remove this, and then you'll proceed to take these screws off. So we pulled the disconnect, got my voltmeter set to volts. I just want to reconfirm that we are not getting any voltage for safety reasons, and that's what I'll do here. Okay, so I'm checking off the top here. It's kind of hard to do this one hand, but on the defrost sensor, I do see that where it's touching on the those liquid lines. Let me see if I can get a better picture for y'all. Right about there. I know it's hard to see, so I'm just gonna get some tools in there and fix that. I'm also get zip ties and keep those wires off the copper tubing. So with what I have on hand, I got some zip ties. That's gonna keep the low volt wires off the copper tubes. And some wire nuts. I'll splice the wires, reconnect them, do that repair. All right, so now that I got the fan removed, I can give you guys a better look into the issue here. This is our defrost sensor, and you can see those two red wires are rubbing against that capillary tube there, and that's going to cause a short.